Welcome to Slime TV, nigga.
Niggas wanna do all this but never had spit for his brother. Your bitch keep looking, she must wanna fuck me. Real deal slime, you know you can't touch me. Watch out. These shoes on my feet cost me a band, that shit ain't nothing. Hop in the field and I get the rich. I know my safety, got full cover on, bro.
What's so beautiful? We in this bitch with Lil City on the back of the truck. And these niggas finna ride some horses. We finna ride the horse. Well, they ride, you know what I'm saying? My horse coming, my horse on the way. You know what I'm saying? We getting y'all great content with these horses. So we finna, yeah, turn up. I'm finna show y'all. No cap, nigga. This shit crazy. Slime TV with horses today.
Keep them going. Nah, don't let them turn around, Tizza. Keep them going, yeah. I ain't not turn them around. I pulled. I speed them up a little bit, Tizza. But when you speed them up, just hold them right there.
So we are report. Hope y'all having a great day, nigga. And positive, because you never know. You could be rich tomorrow, nigga. Okay. Say all this bullshit, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna be a trail rider for real. I'm finna be on this shit for real. You know what I'm saying? My motherfucking phone died. So I'm recording. Still for you niggas, you know what I'm saying? My phone died and shit. I'm still recording for you. And look at these niggas calling, niggas. Keep up.
Depot, he ain't want to give him a sign because I put the bitch up like this. Bitch got to do something else for Woo! I said, you a hoe, bro.
How? Hey, in the way.
Who's that down there? Get out the street.
It's some mobile.
Oh, there goes you.
Yo, talk. Look at that.
Where you at?
Down doing this horse shit, nigga. Fucking with this horse shit, nigga, cause like I feel like this shit would change a lot. You know what I'm saying? Well, not change. It's just gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be my little kid. Like the horse gonna be my little kid type shit. Cause I don't want no kids for my little kid.
What do you think, B?
Damn, them horses clean in the bitch, nigga. Hey, wait on me, y'all. I'm gonna get a horse, and you know what I'm saying. We gonna welcome to the family, the slime family. It's really a slime family. We slime TV too. You know what I'm saying? Get ready. Bro, I keep dropping my phone. Like, what the fuck? And this bitch not even.
Hey, he going down there like this. Where you been, bro? Hey, when y'all get in the street, stay on this side, bro. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is good camera video. Oh yeah.
That nigga talking about you need a cigar in the beard. Crazy. That nigga saucy. Yeah. Coming in, they coming in. Shit. Coming in hot. Where's G-Mod? Coming in hot. Look at that. Look like that whole bag. Slimies. What's up, YouTube? So we in TJ Maxx right now. And the slimes over there and shit. I'm looking over here, you know what I'm saying? Looking at future stuff I could put in my crib, put in my future house and shit. I'm just looking type shit, you know what I'm saying? Looking well, I'm gonna put in my shit, cause you know what I'm saying? And for my cat, cause I'm gonna buy a cat, so I'm gonna get a little cat bed, a little badass bed, nigga, bro. So yeah, bro. And we in TJ Maxx. You see me out there around the horses and shit. You know what I'm saying? Give me a horse, bro. But right now, I'm out of that zoo, bro. Like that zoo. Got me out of there. So you know what I'm saying? I'm full of y'all with something interesting, nigga. Yeah, look at this shit, bro. Like, this is a clean ass pillow. Like, fam. I have a girl right face down on this motherfucker. Like, look at this shit. I might actually get this hoe. Like, should I get this hoe? Y'all think I should get this hoe? Oh man, I might get this hoe. Oh God. Hey, Sean, if y'all know what this is, let me know. Cause I have never seen no shit like this. I have never seen no shit like this. This is fucking crazy. Look, they ain't got a red one. I almost dropped this hoe. They ain't got a red one. But fuck no. Fuck no. Yeah, I know I need some utensil for my house too. I'm gonna get all this shit for my house. My house gonna be saucy, or I might just get the gold one. Cause ooh, that gold bitch clean as fuck. Oh, bro, I need some pots, some pans, all that shit. I'm getting all this shit. All of it. If y'all ain't know, this is the most natural oil you can get right here. Avocado oil. This shit is so natural and good for your body. I swear to God. Get that shit, bro. I'm trying to tell you. But for all y'all that got plastic, use utensil in your house and shit. Well, for your food and shit. Do not. Well, that's really good, but it's not at the same time. But I'm getting all this shit from my house. Even the trash cans, nigga. Shit I need to sweep clean. All that shit, nigga. My shit gonna be saucy, nigga. You got this nigga on the ground.
Straight murder.
Damn. Nigga robbing his ass.
Straight slime smell. That's here. They got one more for your weed and chance.
Are we on YouTube? What's up with this Slime TV? I was not doing no type of criminal activity. We was just playing. I'm on the phone. Nigga know I always been the fuck. That's the right small.
They shot. You won't even gonna say that. That's your
Subscribe to the video, nigga. You're gonna be rich one day. Might be tomorrow. Might be the next day. Oh, shit. Y'all seen that? I seen that. Shit's crazy, bro. YouTube, so I know y'all take some pills. Some of y'all take some pills. Which ones y'all be taking? I bet most of y'all take. Where it go? Here's some shit called. Where it go? I forgot what it's called. But it's some shit in here. I used to take this shit. I don't know why. My mama just had me doing shit. What is this? This shit look like I could have some weed in it. How you doing? Yes, yeah. Japanese. Fuck no. Fuck no. Don't know what that is. Bro, why the fuck I'm just looking at gummies and shit? I'm finna get one of these hoes to go to sleep, nigga. Cause I be up all night. Just laying in my bed by myself, nigga. So these helping make me go to sleep. Yeah, we're a person live from Tizza. I think these the best gummies to get. I'm lying like a bitch. Don't do not buy none of this shit, y'all. Help y'all body and don't get this shit. Like, especially this shit. This shit is not natural. Don't get that. Don't get none of this shit I just showed you, bro. Please. Don't. If it all goes down, you know you're gonna blow. Whoever here, you know you're gonna go. Alright, Slimess, we walking out of TJ Maxx. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna go to the crib. I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling the crib right now, so I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the crib, bro. I'm saying, probably show y'all something in the crib or something. So ready, YouTube. I don't know what the fuck is that loud ass fucking sound. That sound was overly loud. No. But you know what I'm saying? We in Canes. And if y'all can see the reflection, we in Canes. And they just got their food, but I ain't give shit cause like I don't eat chicken, nigga, or burgers or none of that shit. I don't wanna eat that shit. I'll do it till I get home, nigga. And yeah, I'm really tired, bro. We in Canes hitting the pen and shit. I ain't gonna put the pen, you know, I'll put this part of the pen in there. If you mad, I have a pen. It's a problem on you, bro. No lie. But I hope you guys having a fantastic day. I'm gonna keep saying it. Have a great day, nigga. Don't give up on nothing. Just, you know, keep being you. That nigga Casper is motivation, and go look at that nigga. Who's Casper? That nigga gonna put you on some free game. And shit, we ain't doing shit, though. We just chilling. What's up, YouTube? We getting some gas, nigga, at the gas station, nigga.
At the gas. Hey, gas too. Gas 257.
Over here,
Gas 257.
257,
Y'all
nigga.
come out here, but I can't drop that.
Yeah.
Y'all just gonna have to figure it out.
You know what I'm saying? We're out there, man. Look at that. Oh, that truck. That truck. Oh, no. Nah, that hoe clean on God. That hoe clean. But I hope y'all having a great day. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it is cold outside. I think I should, you know what I'm saying? If there's any right now, any fine looking, good looking females watching, I think y'all should stay inside the crib.
my man's cold outside.
Cause it's too cold out here to be outside. Unless y'all wanna stay at my crib.
Bro, nigga finna go home.
Yeah.
In the bed.
But no bullshit. Bro, I'm trying to find some snacks. I don't got no snacks. Damn, I don't got no snacks. Got no snacks. But yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all when I get to the crib. What's up, YouTube? And right now, bro, it's the end of the video. And I'm finna get in the shower, bro. For real. And I never see my hair like this and shit. I'm finna get in the shower and sauce up my hair real quick. But it's the end of the video. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now. And I just got up. Well, I got up at like 4 something, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Ah, you niggas be sleep. I be up making money in y'all sleep. I'm fuck you, slimy. Later, stay up, stay grinding. And if you wake up today, bro, if you have woke up today, bro, be grateful, bro. Oh God, be grateful, bro. Cause some people ain't wake up today. So, you know what I'm saying?
0% on the windows, nigga can't look at this bitch. Cutting up pose, we'll get it lit. Let's get some shoes, let's go on a trip. Forever gonna be clutch, even when I'm 6, they ain't worried about shit. Call up 4 times, nigga stay lit. We was in the party, hop that shit. Wake up every day tryna give me a M. Might be a murder or a meal. La hoe on my phone, got the chill. Are you